वेलकम टू द कबीर सिंह प्लेटफॉर्म। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी में क्या हो सकता है आने वाले एक हफ्ते में। जैसा कि आपको याद होगा, हमने पहले भी 2 वीडियोस बनाई है निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी टॉक की, जिसमें हमने बोला था आने वाले एक हफ्ते में निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी में क्या हो सकता है। तो अगर आपको याद होगा, हमारे जो पहले 2 एपिसोड थे बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी टॉक के, दैट इज एपिसोड 1, दिस इज व्हाट द एपिसोड 1 वाज एंड दिस इज एपिसोड 2। सो विच एवर लेवल विच वी हैव गिवन इन आवर YouTube video has worked perfectly fine, and I'll just tell you in a brief way what we have told in those videos and how the market has reacted. So in the first episode when we made the video, the price was at around somewhere here, that is somewhere at 8 June we have made that video, and then this candle was formed and we have told you clearly that if market start falling, there are high chances that market will fill this gap which was there in the Nifty chart, and exactly that happened. Market has steeply fallen till that level, and once it reached 9560 level where the gap was, it has given a good buying signal after forming a block candle kind of a pattern, not a perfect block candle because it has a upper shadow, but this is overall a bullish candle which was formed exactly after reaching 9570, or you can say 9560 level, and after that again the price was in good upward trend till we got these 2 candles, and now the market has been somewhat in sideways and there is no clear indication where the price will go now. So if we'll talk about SGX Nifty has made a low at around 10,187 rupees, and now it is trading somewhere at around 10,247 rupees when I was recording this video. So overall SGX Nifty is somewhat bearish, so we can expect there will be a fall in our Nifty as well. So till what level the Nifty can fall? This level, that is of around 10,200 level, will be a strong level to give support to the price after it crosses 10,350 rupees level. So 10,200 will be a strong support to the price, and once it has started falling below that, we'll see a level of 10,040 rupees. So 10,040 rupees and 10,200 will be a strong level which can be tested in the next 1 week. Fine. So this is what the level first we have to see, 10,200. If the market is breaking that level, so we'll see 10,050 rupees level. Below that point, I am not expecting that the market will fall because overall the market trend in Nifty has been in upward direction, and the fall below that will indicate us that market is completely bearish and it is not at all in correction. That is the trend of the stock. So that is the trend of the Nifty. Fine. So I am expecting the correction could be till 10,050. But below that I am not expecting the market to go. So that will be the level. If the market reaches 10,040, you can pile up good stocks in your holding and go long for a good target. So keep an eye on this. So this level of 10,200 can be broken because it has been tested twice, and if the price is again falling to that level, you can see price will go beyond that and it will take a support at somewhere around 10,050 rupees. So that will act as a strong support for the price. So you can keep an eye on that, and if the market is not falling to the level of 10,050, you can see a upward movement in this. It will break 10,500 rupees level and reach 10,750 level, but to go that long it need a correction, and somewhat correction has started in this. You can expect the price to go down till 10,050 rupees. If you see here also, once the price has started falling, so there was some kind of a support which the price was getting at this level, but once that was broken, it has gone down to take a support at the next level. So same thing you can see in this as well. So there was some kind of a support which the market got at around 10,200 rupees. But again, if the market is falling below this, you will see a fall till 10,050 rupees. So you can expect the market will correct till 10,050 rupees if 10,200 rupees level is broken in the coming trading session. After that, you will see again the market will move, and you will see the market going around 10,750 rupees level after breaking 10,500. So that is about Nifty. Overall, it has been in upward trend, and a correction till 10,050 rupees will not change my thinking towards Nifty, as many people has been saying that there could be second fall in the market now as the COVID-19 patients have been increasing day by day. But let me tell you, when COVID-19 started, that time there was panic in the market. There was complete panic. People were in a state where they were not able to think what will happen next. But now, as you can see, all factories are almost running to their capacity, and the world has learned to live with COVID-19. So you can see that the market will not fall as heavily as it has fallen in the past, and you can see the market will slowly go up and correct from the high. The same way the correction happened from here, and then a correction was from this level, and you can again see market will correct till 10,050 rupees level, or it can take a support at 10,200 level and again go towards 10,500 and break that level to reach 10,700. There also we can again see a correction, and again it will take a support on the downside at 10,500 and 10,200, but overall it has been in upward trend. So you can watch the levels which I have told you, that is 10,200 and 10,050 rupees. So keep an eye on this. Overall Nifty has been in upward trend. Now coming to Bank Nifty, overall compared to Nifty, somewhat strong in last few trading session before this correction came. It has broken the level of 22,000, which was a very strong one for the Nifty, and it has broken that level, but it could not sustain it, and there was profit booking, because of which it has again came to 21,200 level. So now what I'm expecting in Bank Nifty is that it can go down till 20,250 rupees level, but beyond that point I am not expecting a fall in Bank Nifty. So you can watch this level of 20,250 rupees from where the Bank Nifty give a reversal. Fine. So if this level of 21,150 rupees level is broken and it is sustaining below that, you can see the market will fall till 20,250 level. Okay, so somewhere there the market can take a support, and again on the upward side, if we see, if the market is sustaining the present level, it will go towards 22,400, and above that, if it is sustaining, it will go towards 23,500 rupees level. Okay, so the Bank Nifty can overall test 21,000 level on Monday, and if it is falling below that, it will test 20,250 level, but beyond that I am not expecting a fall in Bank Nifty. Already Bank Nifty has taken a support at 21,100 level. I am expecting the market to touch level again, that is 21,100 level. If that is broken, Nifty will go till 20,250, but beyond that it is not possible in the current situation, what I feel, and Nifty will again go in upward trend to make a new high somewhere around 23,000. So you can keep an eye on these levels, and I'll be posting the same chart in my Telegram channel as well, so you can copy it from there and remember these levels which I have told you. So Bank Nifty can test 21,100 rupees level on Monday, and after that there will be and if that is broken, then 20,250 level will act as a strong support to the price. On the upward side, if the price is going up from the present level, you will see it struggling somewhere around 22,500, and if that is broken, you will see the Bank Nifty going towards 23,500. So this is what can happen in the next 1 week. So you should keep an eye on this and see the reaction from these levels. 10,200 level, you will get a lot of opportunities to invest in good stocks. Like SBI will also fall to a good level where you can again enter a trade for good targets. So you will get an opportunity to enter a trade. So these types of corrections are good for market, and if the correction is still till 20,250 rupees, it will be somewhat good for the market where new investors can enter a trade for good target. So this is what we had for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Keep an eye on these levels and enjoy your trading, and always maintain a SL when you are trading, and make sure that you have patience when you are trading. Thank you for watching this video completely. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.